Delivery today, something for the outside of the van, something I haven't done much of the outside of the van really, most of it's been inside, so I thought I'd give it a little treat. And lucky enough, home delivery is still being done, and I see these online from Van Style. I ordered them on Monday, I think it was, and they've turned up. It's now Wednesday. DHL quite quick, so thank God online deliveries and the rest of it are still going on at the moment. So I'm going to open these up, make sure it is what I've ordered, and get these fitted. So I need a screwdriver. Ah, dear. Right, what we got? Some whites, some instructions, and hopefully the article. Ready? Careful with it. And there we have it. Do you know what it is yet? Let me show you. So these are chrome fronts to go on the front here. I hear they're quite easy to fit on, but the idea is to bring all the chrome all the way down. So we'll get them fitted. So there we go, one finished set of grills. At the beginning of the video, when I started to do this, it was a little bit too cold to fit them, so I actually left it a couple of days. I recommend you fit them when it's a little bit warmer. So I done them a couple of days ago when it was nice and warm, fitted them on, and I must admit they don't look too bad. So that's just another little job completed.